The auto industry currently faces a significant price surge affecting various aspects, such as maintenance and insurance, placing a heavy strain on car owners' budgets. These rising costs are, indeed, becoming a shared burden. Recent statistics highlight a staggering increase in car insurance premiums, with a projected 22% hike set for the upcoming year. This sharp rise will undoubtedly disrupt drivers' financial planning. Among the primary contributors to these soaring insurance rates are extreme weather events and fraud. This combination creates a cycle of escalating claims and costs, complicating the overall situation for consumers. In response, telematics technology has emerged, gathering real-time data on driving behaviors. This advancement allows insurers to assess risk more accurately, paving the way for usage-based insurance programs that offer premiums tailored to individual driving habits. Furthermore, data analytics has bolstered risk management by enabling insurers to process large volumes of information swiftly. Predictive modeling plays a crucial role in anticipating future claims, enhancing customer experiences through expedited claims processing. Moreover, the advent of autonomous vehicles is anticipated to reduce accidents significantly, which could lead to lower insurance premiums. However, it is essential to note that the initial costs of insuring these advanced vehicles might be higher due to expensive repairs. The high-tech components in modern vehicles, such as sensors and cameras, can lead to costly repairs. Just a minor accident could result in thousands of dollars in expenses, placing a burden on drivers. Additionally, cybersecurity threats seem to pose new risks for contemporary vehicles, as their connected features make them vulnerable to hacking. As a result, insurers may increase premiums to mitigate potential fallout from these breaches. The pandemic has further complicated the landscape, disrupting supply chains and resulting in longer wait times for vehicle parts. This situation not only raises overall repair costs, but also heightens the demand for skilled technicians. Meanwhile, the rise in auto theft has significantly affected insurance costs, with over 1 million vehicles reported stolen in 2022. Keyless entry systems, in particular, have become prime targets for thieves. With road traffic returning to pre-pandemic levels, accidents are surging, leading to an influx of insurance claims. This escalation in claims adds further financial pressure on insurance companies. Depreciation remains a critical factor in insurance dynamics as new cars rapidly lose substantial value. Despite this decline in vehicle values, insurance premiums may not reflect these changes, negatively impacting consumers. High interest rates and inflation continue to erode discretionary spending, prompting car buyers to postpone their purchases. This trend has resulted in a surplus of unsold vehicles in the market. The psychological impact on buyers is notably significant, with fears of hidden costs and poor decisions in an uncertain market leading to a paralysis between the desire to buy and the apprehension of financial pitfalls. Luxury car prices have also seen dramatic declines as affluent buyers shift towards safer, more economical options due to financial pressures. This change reflects evolving consumer priorities in a challenging economic climate. Additionally, inflationary pressures, especially in transportation costs, complicate household financial planning, forcing consumers to prioritize essential expenses over discretionary spending. Low-income families are facing unique challenges with escalating car ownership costs, making vehicle maintenance crucial for their livelihoods and job security, particularly in areas with limited transportation options. In conclusion, it is imperative for policymakers and industry experts to devise effective solutions that address the evolving economic landscape while supporting consumers grappling with rising vehicle-related expenses.